If you are someone that is prone to cavities, I have the perfect mouthwash for you. Hi guys, my name is Heather. I'm a dental hygienist here with GuruNanda, and today I'm going to be talking about GuruNanda's anti-cavity mouthwash. This is a part of their therapeutic mouthwash line, and this one is the perfect one to use if you are someone that goes to the dentist every 6 months and they are recommending a filling. You might need an extra layer of protection on your teeth, and this mouthwash will do it for you. So this mouthwash has sodium fluoride in it. Fluoride has been extensively researched to help protect the teeth against cavities. You guys might know that I'm a biological hygienist, so there is some controversy with fluoride, but my opinion is I'm more concerned about people drinking fluoridated water. If someone is struggling with a lot of cavities, they have a very acidic diet, I would rather have someone use a mouthwash with fluoride in it than constantly need fillings and crowns and root canals. I would rather have their teeth be protected with fluoride. Some might say, why not use hydroxyapatite? I say, why not use both? Use a toothpaste with hydroxyapatite. GuruNanda's toothpaste does have hydroxyapatite in it, and then go in after with the fluoridated mouthwash and let both minerals sit on your teeth. Hydroxyapatite will help rebuild the enamel, and then the fluoride will create fluorapatite, which is really resistant against acid, and that's how a cavity is formed. So this mouthwash is designed to help protect against cavities. I would use this as your last step of your routine. So go through your whole routine, water flossing, brushing, flossing, all the good things, and then use this last so then it sits on the teeth. Okay, you can use this once or twice a day. I would recommend twice a day if you're super prone to cavities. And then don't eat or drink anything for 20 to 30 minutes. Use this at night. Have it be the last thing you do before you go to bed, so that will give time for the teeth to absorb that fluoride. If you guys have any questions about this mouthwash, let me know down below and I'll answer it for you. But again, this is a part of their therapeutic line. So if you are struggling with gingivitis, bleeding gums, I have a different mouthwash for you. This one is specifically designed for people who are prone to cavities. Alrighty, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.